Hello and welcome to a new video. I was playing around with a feature improvement preview of our grid layout, and I was speaking around here in some kind of devices here. These are Note card Airnote devices from Blues Wireless. So the Airnote is a device that you can bring outside. It has a solar panel, it charges via solar, and it measures PM levels, so particulate levels, temperature, and so on. We do have them in our Datacake workspace. You can see here there are many, I think like 135 devices. And also we do have them on a map, and this is all the devices that are in our workspace. And you can see there are a couple of devices around the world, and we all have them on Datacake. So yesterday, I was playing around with the new feature here and peeking into some of those devices. And then I accidentally picked that device here and saw this peak. So I was thinking, whoa, this is quite a high peak on PM levels. And I was thinking this probably is a fire. So I was picking the device location, which is in Idaho, somewhere near a town called Boise or Bose. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I was searching the internet for fires near that location. And what I found actually was that there was a huge fire in Boise, somewhere at the outside level. And quite some impressive images to see here about the fire. So it must have been huge, and I was reading it, and they stopped the fire at 11:30 p.m., I guess. So I was going back into the device here, picked it, and got into the history of that device and scrolled down, selected the PM level, and then I selected custom time range. So let's go back in time to that day. It was the 4th, the 5th, and selected. And I could see that, yes, this is the impact of the fire. And they said in the Twitter tweet, it was like 11:30, and you can actually see that 11:30, it looked like it was, yeah, completely under control, the fire. And the highest point was 11 a.m. So the question is, can PM sensors be used for initial fire detection? And yes, the answer is super clear. It actually can be used for IoT technology for, yeah, fire detection. And if I search for that device once more and show the slide over in here, we can see, yes, this is the fire peak. So we can use these devices because they're super sensitive in measuring fine dusts, which are being created by just a single fire, a small fire. Even cigarette smoke can be detected by those sensors. And this helps detecting fires like an early emergency system. This was quite impressive. If you want to know more about the Airnote, Blues Wireless has everything about it. We also provide this map here as a public link. So that means you can use this, yeah, to have a view on all the Airnote devices and a look in all those Airnote devices and the air quality measured by those devices around the world, and also see the various PM levels around the world. Yeah, I found this super interesting, and I thought of sharing this with you. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.